Hey, my name is Connor, and welcome to Crypto Empire, where we dominate the crypto markets. In today's video, I'm going to be speaking to you about the KuCoin token, ticker symbol KCS, as well as the KuCoin Exchange, because KuCoin offers a lot of features that a lot of other centralized exchanges don't offer you. So it has incentives for customers to use the platform, and I do see it gaining popularity in the future as this cryptocurrency revolution continues to develop. So I will be sharing what features KuCoin can offer you, as well as my price prediction for the KuCoin token in this video. So make sure you stick with me until the very end, smash the like button, comment down below. If you're new to Crypto Empire, be sure to subscribe to the channel and make sure all bell notifications are turned on as well. And let the gains be with you. So to start out this video, let's take a look at the market cap as a whole. We currently see we have a $1.7 trillion market cap. Bitcoin is trading at 36.4K. ETH is trading at $2,769. Bitcoin currently has a market cap of $682 billion with a Bitcoin dominance of 39.6%. So Bitcoin dominance still right around that 40 percentile mark. It's really just going sideways at this point in time, waiting to see what is going to happen next. But one thing I do want you to take note of is the Binance coin at number 4 in market cap with a price of $399 and a market cap of $61.7 billion. Reason I'm mentioning Binance coin is because Binance is the most popular centralized exchange in the world, and KuCoin is another very popular centralized exchange that has its own token that isn't talked about nearly as much. So KuCoin token KCS is sitting at number 111 in market cap with a market cap of only $701 million. That's really not that much when we're talking about cryptocurrency. So KuCoin token is currently trading at $8.89. It does have a circulating supply of 78.9 million tokens with a maximum supply of 168 million. So that means there's currently 90 million tokens locked up. So keep that in mind. But I do want to share with you down here, looking at the data, KuCoin token does have an all-time high of $20.17. This was touched during the last bull cycle that we saw with cryptocurrency at the beginning of 2018. We can see right here, January 10th, 2018. We did recently touch $20 in the middle of April for KuCoin. So we didn't make a new all-time high, but we tested the all-time high and we got rejected. So I do expect KuCoin to be making new all-time highs in the future. We'll be talking about the price prediction later on in this video. So again, make sure you stick with me until the very end. But for now, let's get into what the KuCoin Exchange is, a little bit about how to use it, and what features it will offer you as a customer of KuCoin. So first of all, this is a burner account I'm using right here. I have no money in this account. It's just here to show you what to do. So if you are brand new to KuCoin, I've been getting a lot of requests in the Crypto Empire community to make a full KuCoin Exchange tutorial. I will be making a full tutorial, but for now, I'm just going to show you the basics about how to use it. So if you're just making your account, what you're going to want to do is you're going to obviously want to put money into the account. So you would come up here to assets and hit main account. This is where you're going to be doing all of your deposits and your withdrawals. So over here, if you wanted to deposit Bitcoin that you bought on a fiat on-ramp such as Coinbase, for example, right? You can actually buy crypto here with your credit or debit card or bank transfer. I don't believe you can if you're in the US. I've never tried it personally. I buy my crypto elsewhere, but I do use the KuCoin Exchange. I send in crypto to purchase other altcoins. So if you wanted to transfer Bitcoin in here, you would just come to main account, type in BTC, you would put deposit, and it would take you right to your wallet address here. So we can see right here, I recommend using BTC SegWit, it's quicker. And then obviously if your wallet does support BTC SegWit transactions, and then you just copy and paste your address, you have your QR code right here. That's how you fund your account. And now KuCoin offers pretty much the same trading features that Binance does offer you, except for coin marginated futures, meaning that you get profits or losses in the underlying asset. If you're trading Bitcoin, you can take profits in Bitcoin. If you're trading Ethereum, you can get all of your profits in ETH, the actual currency. So KuCoin only does USDT futures. But anyway, let's get back to the subject at hand, which is the features that KuCoin can offer you. So first of all, what I really do like is the daily rewards. So you would come up here to finance, and where it says KCS bonus, you would click on that. So if you do hold at least 6 KCS tokens in your main account, you are actually going to be accruing daily interest from all of the fees generated on KuCoin. So we can see right here, KCS holders with at least 6 KCS will obtain this trading fee bonus. So definitely I recommend using this feature. If you were holding your KuCoin, keep it in your account and you accrue passive income. Another feature of KuCoin that is very nice is the earn function, which is the Pool X. So if you come up here to finance and hit earn, it would take you to the Pool X platform. And now this is pretty much, you can stake your tokens and you can earn interest. It's pretty much like syrup pools on PancakeSwap, right? You put in your tokens, you earn interest. It's like staking, but it's all held in your centralized exchange account. So very easy to manage. Definitely check that out. And we can see up here as well, the Kusama Parachain slot auctions are supported on KuCoin. So this is really cool. If you don't want to go through the hassle of creating your own Polkadot.js wallet extension, all you literally need is your KuCoin account. We can see all of the Parachain auctions that will be supporting. We have Karora down here and Moon River, which is another one that I'm definitely interested in. Of course, I made my full video about Karora and how to get involved with that Parachain slot auction, but you can do it right here through your KuCoin account. I don't think any other centralized exchange service is offering you the ability to do this with your account. So another reason to kind of check KuCoin out. And then moving on, we have the KuCoin community chain, KCC it will be called. So the testnet was live starting in April. So pretty much the KuCoin community chain will be just like the Binance Smart Chain. So the Binance Smart Chain, a copy and paste of Ethereum, but extremely low gas fees and quicker transaction times, meaning that a ton of users instantly flocked over from Ethereum to the Binance Smart Chain because they were frustrated, including myself. I didn't enjoy paying $150 for a Uniswap transaction or to do anything DeFi related. You have to pay like over $100 when gas fees were extremely high. Now gas fees aren't too high, but when the network gets congested, gas fees go through the roof and people look elsewhere to do whatever they want to do for DeFi on Ethereum, right? You can do everything you do on Ethereum on the Binance Smart Chain. So now KuCoin will be offering the KuCoin community chain, and you will need KCS to pay for your gas fees on the KuCoin community chain. So we can see here that the KuCoin community chain will be fully compatible with Ethereum and ERC20 smart contracts with extremely low migration costs. KCS, the KuCoin token, will serve as the only core fuel and native token for KCC and can be used in scenarios such as gas fee payment. It has a higher block every 3 seconds, resulting in faster transactions and confirmation time with a higher chain performance. And it uses the proof of staked authority consensus algorithm, meaning it has high efficiency, security, and stability. So be looking out for KCC. I think this will definitely draw a ton of eyes on KuCoin, the whole KuCoin ecosystem. That's what KuCoin is doing here. Just like Binance is a huge ecosystem, KuCoin is making their own ecosystem. Crypto.com is doing the same exact thing. I expect all of the major centralized exchanges to follow the example of Binance, because if you can't beat them, you join them. So that's what's happening here. And KuCoin is definitely one that I will be using, the KuCoin community chain. So that's a very awesome feature that will be released soon. Another reason to kind of take your interest on KuCoin. So also their Twitter account, it's called the People's Exchange for a reason, right? They have 727,000 followers on Twitter, and they tweet all of their announcements and news. So if you want to stay up to date with everything KuCoin, be sure to follow their Twitter account. So now let's get into the technical analysis and price prediction for this video. So we can see here on the daily, we tested the all-time high at $20 over here back in April. And then since then, it's just been nothing but down. And we crashed all the way down here. We dropped about 80%, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, 78% we crashed from the peak down to the low for this move. And now we can see that we are uptrending, right? We had this one low, and then we retested, but we made a higher low, right? And then we made a higher high, higher low, higher high. So we're now back in an uptrend for KuCoin, but I don't think we're going to be seeing a parabolic pump like we saw here in the beginning of April. I'll circle this. I don't think we're going to be seeing a move like that right away. I think that the parabolic pumps will come again this year, but first we have to endure the accumulation phase, which always does happen after a big pump, then a big drop. After high volatility, there tends to be a period of low volatility. So I am expecting a very choppy market in the coming weeks. Hopefully it doesn't last too long, because obviously we all want to be trading. These are not very opportune market conditions to be actively trading as a swing trader, which is my personal strategy. So I like to hold positions and capture the overall larger trend of the move. And right now there's no trend in general. It's just sideways. So not optimal. But if we're going to be talking about areas to look to purchase your KuCoin, right, we do have this local high over here that we made in February, right over here at $6.99. So I have this yellow line drawn here for that reason. And then we can see we also formed a bit of a demand zone. And now over here, what I want to bring your attention to. So definitely $7 is a key level on the chart. And then we can use our fib and take this high that we recently created down to the low of the downwards move. And we can see that we have a golden pocket right in the middle of a demand zone, a drop base rally demand zone. Over here at $6.50 is where the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level is. So I wouldn't suggest buying KuCoin at $8. I would suggest not financial advice. Nothing I say here in this channel is financial advice. You need to do your own research before you buy and sell any asset. But we can see here that the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement is at $6.50. So this is the first level I would look to add. Again, not financial advice. And then if we saw another drop down into this previous demand zone here at $5 to $3, that is definitely an opportune buying opportunity. So in terms of where we're going to go next, we have this downward sloping trend line. I've had this drawn on the chart since we were up here above it. We have a lot of KuCoin bulls in the crypto empire community in the empire. And when KuCoin was up here at around $20, we had some people in the community saying it's going to keep on pumping, keep on pumping. I took a look at the chart. We can look on the 4 hour and see that up here, we printed an M pattern, meaning we made a high and then we made a lower high at the retest. And then strong move downwards, making an M pattern. And then we broke right through the trend line. And now we've been using it as kind of support and resistance. So this trend line, I am kind of anticipating us to continue to use this trend line as support and resistance, right? Maybe we pump up, we test it, we break above, and then we use it as support before we move higher. I'm not really sure what's going to happen next. All I do know is that I am not expecting anything crazy or exciting to be happening anytime soon. I do see price possibly testing these lower levels, again, this lower demand zone, and even the lower demand zone here at $5 to $3. So I do expect price to at least retest these levels at least once before we really start picking up and moving higher to make new all-time highs. So I wouldn't rush in now. Not financial advice. This is just what I think. Now, in terms of price prediction and where we're going to go, so we currently have a $701 million market cap. That's not very high for crypto, right? Binance Coin has a $60 billion market cap. Now, if KuCoin were to double its previous all-time high of $20.17 and hit $40, that would put the KCS market cap of around $3.2 billion, which is just around 5%, I believe. I'm not that great at math, but around 5% of Binance Coin's current market cap if it were to hit $40 with $3.2 billion market cap. I definitely think that $40 is possible this bull run. I even think that $60 is possible. And if KuCoin token were to hit $60, it would put the market cap at around $4.8 billion, which again isn't even 10% of the BNB current market cap. And now I definitely think $40 and $60 are realistic. But if we were to stretch the possibilities and imagine a blow off top scenario where it was like the end of the last bull market where everything pumped and then it cascaded down, I think even $100 is possible for KCS. And if KCS were to hit $100, that would put the market cap at right around $8 billion, which is definitely attainable, I do believe. If we look over here, we can see $8 billion would put us currently at around number 20 in market cap. But of course, the rising tide raises all ships. So all of these numbers would be rising as well. So this is like the blow off top end of the bull market scenario. We see KCS hit $100. I definitely think that $40 and $60 are more realistic price predictions for KCS with all of the developments and features that KuCoin offers as a platform, as a company, as an exchange, right? We have the KuCoin community chain coming. We have the fact that you can use your Kusama to bond it with Parachain auctions and get your hands on some precious Akala, Karora, Moon River if you do prefer that. And just the fact as well that you can earn daily interest on the KuCoin platform. So it has a lot going for it. It has a lot of low cap gems that other exchanges don't offer, namely Telcoin and Veracity, two alts that I'm very bullish on. And you can't really get those on any other exchanges. So there are a lot of reasons to be bullish on KuCoin. So the KuCoin exchange is one of the main centralized exchanges out there. I do personally use KuCoin and Binance. These are like the only centralized exchanges that I ever need. I can do everything, get my hands on any coin pretty much with these two exchanges. There are a few rare exceptions out there that require me to go elsewhere to get my hands on a token. But in terms of centralized exchanges, I do put high regards to KuCoin because they have a lot of awesome features. They are secure. They did undergo a hack not too long ago, but they did recover very quickly, and they did increase their security measures. So I do believe that KuCoin is a safe exchange to park your funds. I do personally keep some money in there, and I don't put all my eggs in one basket, of course. I would never recommend that for a centralized exchange. But if you are looking for a secure option to use a centralized service for an exchange, I definitely recommend KuCoin. And the KuCoin token KCS also has a lot of potential with the KuCoin community chain coming out. So if you did enjoy this video, definitely let me know down in the comment section below. Be sure to like this video, share it with your friends. Again, if you're new to Crypto Empire, hit that subscribe button and make sure you have all bell notifications turned on as well. And my name is Connor from Crypto Empire, and we will see you in the next video.